Windows 10 has come a long way in terms of features, performance, and overall stability. However, if you want to take full advantage of Windows 10, you need to learn inbuilt keyboard shortcuts that can improve your workflow efficiently. So, in this video, we are going to share some of the useful keyboard shortcuts, including some new and interesting ones. So, having said, let us begin with some of the best Windows 10 keyboard shortcuts you should be using right now. Open Emoji Keyboard. We all love emojis and often use in our daily life to express ourselves. But what if I tell we can use the same emojis in our laptop also, and that too inbuilt? All you have to do is to just press Windows and period key at once and the emoji keyboard will instantly open up. And now you can easily use emojis anywhere in your laptop. Enjoy! Snap Window. Everyone loves to do multitasking, either doing office work or watching important match at the same time. Don't worry, Windows had made it easier for you. Just press Windows and left or right arrow key to snap the current window to either side and enjoy. You can also use the up or down arrow key to maximize and minimize the current window. Take a selectable screenshot. Everyone knows how to take screenshot on laptop. It's Windows plus print screen. This shortcut is great, but you can't select your content window and you have to further edit it, which becomes quite hectic process. But what if I tell you can take a screenshot of any part of your screen very easily? Just press Windows plus Shift plus S, from which you can select your area and save yourself from further hustle. Record your gaming session. If you are a gamer, this shortcut is for you. But wait, when I found about this shortcut, it actually amazed me. By using it, you can actually use inbuilt Windows 10 recorder and you would not need any third-party software to record your screen. You can just press Windows plus G and Xbox game bar appears from where you can record your session with microphone audio synced in. Also take screenshot and do lots more. Amazing, right? You can also use Windows plus Alt plus R to start your recording directly. Preview an image. This is quite interesting one. Now you can preview an image or text file without opening it by just using this shortcut Alt plus P. It's really helpful and saves a lot of time. Lock your PC. If you are doing some important work and somebody suddenly comes to you and you want to lock down your PC anyhow, just press Windows plus L. This shortcut is pretty helpful to quickly lock down your PC from unauthorized access. Create a new folder. If you want to create a new folder, just press Ctrl plus Shift plus N. This is a really handy shortcut if you deal with local folders regularly. Rename items. One tiny feature that everyone wanted on Windows, that is an easy way to rename files without right clicking on folder and clicking on rename. Well, there it is. Select any folder file and just press Windows plus F2 and rename it quickly and easily. Add a new virtual desktop. Adding a new virtual desktop through task view is really laborious on Windows 10. Instead of that, you can use Windows plus Ctrl plus T. Simple shortcut to create a new virtual desktop without wasting any time, and you can also easily switch between virtual desktops by using Windows plus Ctrl plus left or right arrow. Cool na? Wait, you can also close the active virtual desktop without jumping through hoops. Just press Windows plus Ctrl plus F4 and you are done with it. Simple. Enjoy your day. And that's for the video guys. I hope you liked the video. And do let us know in the comment section what are the shortcuts you found interesting, and also let us know some interesting one that we missed out. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Stay home, stay safe and stay tuned.